Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to understand how to convert map to list. So generally we will call it as hash map. Okay. So you just need to understand how to define a hash map to understand this program. So let's go and create a new class. Right click, new, and then click on class. And what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to write map to list. Let's say map to list. Select public static void main and click on finish button. So now let me create the map. So let's say I'm going to name it as map. So you already know a map will contain a key and its value. So let's say I'm defining the key and value integer, and then there is a string. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to name it as countries or country. Let's say you can define anything, is equal to new hash map, and then close it. So now what you are going to do is, so let's say place the cursor there and import the required built-in classes. So you need to import hash map as well. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this new map, whatever we have created, dot put. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give the first one as India, and similarly I can write second one as, you can copy, second one you write it as USA, and third one you can write this as something like China, next one if you wanted to write one more, let's say name it as Australia. So once you have defined, now what you wanted to do is you wanted to convert this hash map. This is a key and value. So we have given key and value, the hash map. What we are going to do is we are going to convert it into list. So how to do list we already know. So there are two things. One is the integer, another part is string part. So first I am holding the values of integers. To do that, list integer. So I am naming it as, let's say this is a key value, key list is equal to new array list, whatever the values you have written. So what is your map value? Your map value is country dot, there is a method called key set. See, key set method will help us to pull all the values which are all the keys of this particular map. Just close it. Similarly, just import the required classes. Here also you just press and then import the required things. And similarly what you are going to do is you are going to write the integer also, list integer you are done, string you are going to write string values. So this is your value list, value list, and then new array list, and then within the brackets what you're going to do is you're going to take the country, whichever is your map, dot, you will have values. So all the values will come into this particular list. Just close it. And now if you wanted to print the statement, system out.println statement, keys are, so where did you store this? That is under your key list. Similarly, you have one more, that is system out.println statement for values. So what are those values you have? So you are going to write it as values are, you can write plus whatever the values you are holding, that value set, you can put it here. Then obviously your key values and the respective values will come into those places. Okay, so if you have any thing needs to be fixed, just before running it, just ensure that you have corrected those things, and then finally you can run the program. Just let me fix this. Here also you need to have that string parameter also needs to be added. See here, this is what missed and we have corrected it. Now if I run this program and see, the keys and lists are going to be displayed. So this is how you will convert the keys are 1, 2, 3, 4 and the values are India, USA, China and Australia respectively. So this is how you can convert the maps also into list.